God, I'm coming to the end of 2023. And it wasn't easy, God. This season, this year, has been one of my toughest. I had days when I want to give up. I have days when I want to quit God. I have days when I almost lost my mind. And I have days when the cares of life get the best of me. I'm now faced with family rejection, friends betrayal, financial difficulties, relationship problems, joblessness. But I'm holding on, God, because I believe that you won't exchange everything that I'm going through now for something great in 2024. I believe.
God, you can do it for me.
Amen.
God, you can do it for me.